What's up guys, it's Caleb with UTV Source, and I want to key you guys in on a couple of handy features for making purchases on UTVSource.com. We've had a ton of new customers on the site, and we want to get you guys dialed in on some key features for financing options, package protection, and extended warranty services. Let's start off with those financing options. We've got two of them available at checkout with both Affirm and Klarna. Make sure you guys check both of them because they have some slightly different plans on how you can go and pay for your order. But both of them have interest-free financing options. Note though that Affirm is only available on orders of $50 or more. Next up is enhanced tracking and order protection through Route. This is available for a small fee and gives you guys enhanced options to be able to track your package via email, SMS, or via the Route app if you have it downloaded. The best part about it though is the order protection. Maybe you've got some porch pirates trolling the neighborhood, or a disgruntled delivery driver that likes to kick your packages to the doorstep. Maybe it doesn't even get there at all. Route has you covered though. Note that Route is automatically added to your cart at checkout. We believe in the value this product provides, but if you really don't want it, just make sure to click it off and clear it from your cart. Last up is our extended warranty services through Extend. These are going to be available on the product page or at checkout, and you can purchase additional 1 to 3 years of extended warranty service. This is going to help you guys out in case your parts break or malfunction, and Extend will repair, replace, or reimburse your order. We're constantly evolving how the site works to make it easier to go from cart to trail. Hopefully these 3 options help you get it done. We'll see you out there. Life's a ride. Make it your own.